But out of that, the two of us spoke together and said if we were to help our hapu broaden our knowledge, was that we would take away the tikanga of how the trustees were chosen. And that's where we've opened it up to anybody that whakapapas to our kuia, Muimui. Muimui had two sons, but it was only Otaniwha that stayed in Wainui. Otaniwha had two sons again, Raurau and Tahamu. And most of us probably come from both sides because of intermarriages. Certainly for me, it does. So it centres Ngāti Rua Mahuatanga within the valleys of Wainui and Mahanupua. That's one part I've picked up from Francis. But even though I'm one of the cooks, I'd like to talk about what's been happening with this coalition government. And as Francis said, there are 8 bills that we have submitted to as a hapu and individual things. But I thought the Treaty Principles bills was the absolute pits until I realised it wasn't. It was this one. And I want to pay tribute to that one before us, because this is the one we've got to look out for. It's been snuck up on us, the Regulatory Standards Bill. It's been passed, and it needs, as we all have picked up the turn, we need to kill that bill, because that's the one that will be detrimental to Māoridom, full stop. Ka mutu hoki au tēnā.
Kia ora mai tātou, sorry to interrupt us. Just to let you know that if you want some refreshments, for those of you that have just joined us, over there, you will look behind you, there's an open door. We have a tea house over there. You can have sandwiches and scones and refreshments. So please wander over there if you get a bit thirsty. Keep hydrated. Kia ora mai tātou. Kia ora Auntie Uma.
Kia ora.